Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I've got some bracelets to make today and I'm going to do the double thread method. These are the beads that I'm going to be using and they're very similar to a dragon vein bead. I love the colours on them. These are 8mm. I'm just using some white elastic today. 0.6. Measure 24 inches. Remember, we're doubling what we normally do. Just give that a stretch. And this is the type of needle I like to use. It just opens in the middle. Pop your elastic in. You will need a bead clip. I'll just pop that on the end. We'll do this one first. We just start threading them on. This is great for when you've got a heavier bead. So I'm going to do 7 inches. All the beads can be found on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, which I'll link below for you. There you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. Okay, that's 7 inches. So what I'm going to do now is go back through. I'm going to go back through the beads. Let's do 3 at a time. It's caught on there. So we've started, we've gone back through those 3. We'll go through another 3. Pull through. Another 3. Hope everyone's having a good day today. The sun is shining here in Bristol, UK. For those of you that are not from the UK. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I have lots of jewellery tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Let's just pull that through a little bit more. So we've gone through twice. I'm going to remove the needle, take the bead clip off. I need to just adjust. At the moment it looks like this, but I need more to tie. So all I'm doing is pulling them down. So that's what we've got. 2 strings. We've got this one, which we did first of all, and then these 2 ends. So what I'm going to do is tie just a normal knot like that, pull together. You might have to adjust so it looks like a triangle, and then we're going to put these together. So this is going to go underneath, and I'm going to do a surgeon's knot. So we go through twice, go over once, over again, pull together. Then we do one the other way. And one for luck. And then snip off. And this one I'm going to use 0.6 clear elastic. $24. Give it a stretch. Bead clip on the end. And we're going to do these now. Just get my needle. Thread the needle. And start adding the beads. So again, we're going to go back around. Gone through 5 beads that time. We'll remove the needle. Right, we need to push these down. Take those two strands and then pull this down. There we go. So we have the strand, two strands at the top. So we're going to do a normal knot, just the once. So we've got the triangle. Then I'm going to pass this under here to pick up the other thread. So pull together, pass underneath to pick up the other thread. Then I'm going to do a surgeon's knot once, then we go over again twice. Pull once the other way, and one for luck. And then we'll just snip that off. If you want to add, just hide the hole. If you want to add a dab of glue, you can. So that's 2 bracelets made using the double thread method. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.